Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech. I know it's been a while and I have missed you as much as you have missed me. However, we are back today, and today in the studio we have the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here we go, right here, the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now, right here I have the Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and as you can see, this lovely beauty is a nice pocket size, a nice hand size, whereas this ginormous phone device is very substantial. I know it's just in the box, but two very different devices. So let's go ahead and rip into it and take a quick look and a poke around at the differences between the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. In typical beautiful Apple fashion, we have our lovely cellophane that comes off so easily, so smooth for all you weirdos out there. So here it is, an absolute gorgeous box. Notice it is a lot flatter than last year's iPhone box. Why? No power brick, no headphones at all. So Apple has made the box smaller. I like it, it's better. I don't need any more outlets. I have bags and drawers and just, I think it was a smart move, not only for business, financial sense, but for the environment and everything. We've got enough bricks. We don't need any more. This is pretty substantial. Let's just take a quick gander here and actually see what the difference in that phone is. So 12 Pro Max, 12 Pro. So you get a nice good angle and a nice good view. The cameras are pretty similar. No big difference there. Again, we're looking at size. I have not been terribly impressed with this battery. So because this battery hasn't been impressive, not bad, just not impressive, I'm very eager to see what this battery is going to do. So this is a nice new little touch that Apple did this year. And if you look, the little stickers actually have little instructions. Kind of cute what they did. In the box is a SIM card ejector tool, a Apple sticker, thank you Apple, and this is new, USB-C to Lightning. You see that? I'm mad at you for that, Apple. I actually prefer this and I appreciate you for doing that. Namaste. So this is the unboxing, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I mean, I don't have to show you what an iPhone looks like set up. You guys already know. I will turn it on for you guys so we can kind of experience that together. But for me today, it's all about the differences, and that's what I want to point out to you. The cameras are pretty much the same. The screens are definitely, this one's bigger, obviously you can see that, but the cameras are very much the same. They did say that the selfie camera has a little bit more extra features. I think it does nighttime bokeh effect, which is pretty cool. I mean, some of the Android phones do that, so I'm glad to see Apple is staying on course. We all know Apple typically isn't always the first to do anything, but when they are, just about everyone else copies them. So that's it for our iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. I will go ahead and set this beauty up on my own. I don't want to bore you with it, but again, just like the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro, we are back to the old school boxy style, which if carefully placed, stands up all by itself. Not that, you know, we're gonna do this frequently. Ooh. That one seems a little bit more top heavier than this one, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that so I don't break it. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, pay me the ultimate creator compliment, share my content with your friends and family on social media. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste. Wait, if you are not following me on Twitter, please go ahead and make that happen. Link in the description. Just follow my beacon links and you can find me just about anywhere. Till next time.